Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, English Zone 101. Today, we're going to clear up a very common confusion in English grammar. The difference between few and little, and all the details about these quantifiers. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use their different forms with confidence. So, let's get started. First, remember this golden rule. We use few, a few, the few, only a few with countable nouns, like books, people, apples. And we use little, a little, the little, only a little with uncountable nouns, like water, time, money. Let's start with few. Few means almost none, a very small number. It carries a negative feeling. Examples on screen. Few students attended the seminar. Hardly any students. He has few friends in this city. Almost no friends. So, when you say few, you're stressing the lack of something.
Now, a few. This means some, a small number, but enough and positive in tone. Examples on screen. I have a few good books to recommend. Some useful books. She made a few suggestions that improved the project. Notice the difference. Few feels negative, but a few feels encouraging. Next is the few. It means the small number that exists. We're talking about a specific, limited group. Examples on screen. The few friends he has are very loyal. The few mistakes in her essay were easily corrected. So, the few points to a known and definite number.
Now, only a few. This emphasizes not many and often sounds negative or limiting. Examples on screen. Only a few tickets are left for the concert. We have only a few options to solve this problem.
Time to look at little, a little, the little, and only a little. Remember, these are for uncountable nouns. First, little. It means almost none, a very small amount, usually negative. Examples on screen. There is little hope of success, almost no hope. We had little time to prepare for the exam. Now, a little. This means some, a small amount, but enough for a purpose. It's positive. Examples on screen. There is a little milk in the fridge, enough to use. She showed a little kindness to the stray dog. Not much, but it helped the dog. Next, the little. It refers to the small amount that exists, specific and definite. Examples on screen. The little money he had was spent on books. The little patience she had was exhausted. Finally, only a little. It emphasizes not much with a limiting or negative sense. Examples on screen. We have only a little water left. She had only a little energy after the long journey. Here's a quick recap of everything we've learned. Few, almost none, little, almost nothing. Both are negative. A few, a little, some, enough, positive. The few, the little, the small number or amount that exists, specific. Only a few, only a little, not many, not much, stressing limitation. So that's all the details about the two quantifiers, few and little. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy grammar tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.